So friends, today's video topic is, can we reduce power consumption by using our air conditioner? Today I will tell you 6 ways you can significantly reduce your electricity bill by using your air conditioner. So let's start the video. The first point is that if you are using your air conditioner continuously, you should clean its filter every week. Also, get your air conditioner serviced regularly, and if possible, have the outdoor unit of your air conditioner thoroughly washed. The second point is that if you are using an air conditioner in a room, use a ceiling fan along with it, but make sure to set the fan speed to level 2. The ceiling fan circulates the air, which helps the cool air spread quickly throughout the room, and the air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard. The third topic is that if you are using an air conditioner at night, you should use the sleep mode. Most people's air conditioner remotes have a sleep mode, but they don't know how to use it or how it works. So let me explain. On inverter X, the sleep mode gradually increases the temperature overnight so you can sleep comfortably. It's a low power mode that helps you save energy. The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. When the desired temperature is reached, the AC automatically switches off and then switches back on. Sleep mode helps you fall asleep easily. It helps you fall back asleep quickly if you wake up in the middle of the night and can extend the lifespan of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. And those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and save money on electricity bills can use the sleep mode. Now let me tell you about the fourth topic. You can reduce power consumption by using your air conditioner with a timer. This topic might seem completely nonsensical to you, but let me explain the logic behind it. For example, let's say you use your air conditioner from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. and that too at your preferred temperature. For instance, let's say I'm using my AC at 24 degrees Celsius at night. But if you pay attention, as the night progresses towards morning, you'll notice that the temperature decreases and the room gets colder. Since I'm using my air conditioner at 24 degrees, the room becomes quite cold by morning, or even overcooled. If we use the air conditioner with a timer, instead of running it until 8 a.m., we can set the timer for 6 a.m. This way, the air conditioner will automatically switch off at 6 a.m., and the room will already be cool enough. The advantage of switching off the air conditioner at 6 a.m. is that the extra 2 hours it would have been running are saved, and we can save on the power consumption for those 2 hours. If you need information about how to set the timer on your air conditioner, I have created separate short videos on this topic. You can visit my channel to see how to use the timer. The fifth topic is that you should use your air conditioner at around 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. Lowering the air conditioner temperature by just 1 degree uses approximately 6 to 10% more electricity, and a temperature of 24 to 26 degrees provides both comfortable cooling and energy savings. If your air conditioner is perfectly clean and there are no problems with it, your room will feel cool even at a temperature of 24 to 25 degrees. The sixth topic is that you should use an air conditioner of the correct capacity in your home. Using a large air conditioner in a small room or a small air conditioner in a large room will both result in higher electricity bills. For example, in a 10 by 10 foot room, 100 square feet, you should use a 1-ton air conditioner. In a 12 by 12 foot room, 144 square feet, you should use a 1.5-ton air conditioner. In a 12 by 15 foot room, 180 square feet, if your room is on the top floor, receives direct sunlight, has a ceiling of 10 to 12 feet, or if 3 to 5 people regularly occupy the room, you should use a 1.8-ton air conditioner. In a 15 by 15 foot room, 225 square feet, you should use a 2-ton air conditioner. These were my 6 topics. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.